Hey folks, Detectable back on the Goldfields yet again. Today's Thursday, the 3rd of October. It's only 2 days ago I was out in the same spot where I am now, and I found that reefy bit of gold, and I thought, yeah, I want to find some more gold here. Who knows? And it wasn't many targets, so it's either been projected a lot or just wasn't many shooters around here. It is an interesting thing. Look at this, an old dig out with a cactus growing out of it. Nice change, haven't seen that before. There you go, it's always a first for everything. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to give this a few hours. It's about lunchtime, so give this a good crack and see how we go. Cheers. Okay folks, been a half hour or so. A bit warm, windy, and a lot of interference on the machine, so it's driving me nuts. Even the ground is very mineralised and it's going off a tree, so I've had to try different few settings, and it's still noisy, but it's a bit better. Anyway, I got a signal just here in the middle of all these mullocks, big holes. I got a tiny bit of gold. There was actually a bit of lead shot screaming over the top of it. I put the lead shot and I checked the hole and I got another signal. I got that little tiny bit of gold there. There you go, just a little bit. And I think I got another signal here, but I'm not sure. I've got to get over because it's very faint. So I'll go over it and see what happens. See you in a sec, or if not later. Hey folks, Detectable. So yeah, got that other target back there somewhere. Back further down, actually further around over there. Nothing else there really, and I sort of just went around this Malachite, around this one here, come back over here, and you'll see another dig hole there, previous one. Got a signal in here on the side, but then the signal disappeared, and I sort of kicked a lot of the dirt away, and onto the side of the dirt there was another signal, and got another bit of gold, a little tiny roly-poly bit. Had to wet it to keep it in place. That's a good signal. Bit number 2. Well, it's a hot spot, I think. Not really, I wouldn't call it a great patch, but it's a patch. So, gotten 3-4 bits out of here so far. I mean, the first trip 2 days ago. Now this trip, and I'm early on this time. So hopefully we'll get some more. Hey, that's Detectable. Well, it's about almost 3 o'clock. That tree stump there in the middle there, I just sort of took about a 5-minute break from there. I had a drink of water. Took the hat off, stripped all the gear off, not my clothes, the detecting gear. And I thought I was just going to chill it here for a few minutes and then go back to the car and get something to eat. The car's probably about 50-100 metres that way, so the track's just here, so on the edge of the track. The diggings do go further up this way, which is good because that's, I know there's more diggings down there where I've got gold before, so it's in the general line. Anyway, so I got up from there, moved over here, got a signal. Unbelievable, a bit of gold. It's not much, but it's tiny. Here you go, little round bit. That little hole here. Makes a bit of noise when it comes out, doesn't it? It was a bit of a light murmur. It sounded like a lead shot, of course, as they all do. Anyway, so that's bit number 3. But like I said, make my way to the car, have some medication, have some lunch, and keep swinging. Probably just go a slightly different direction, probably a bit more to the right, closer to the train tracks, which is behind me, and just see how we go. Just have to check out the area really, and suss it out, see if it's worth coming back here or not. Anyway, see how we go. Alrighty folks, Detectable, calling it the end of the day. It's 5:15 in the Goldfields. Beautiful area. Look at all the birds chirping, the leaves rustling. Fantastic. It's still a bit warm. I'm still quite warm. Anyway, so after that lunch break, nothing. Just lead shot, a little bit of shard or something, but lead shot. It's rubbish. No trace of gold whatsoever. I did, because I was walking this way to the left, I decided to go back to the front of the car that way. It wasn't much out there, but have to try it and have to go for it. And just found a lot of lead shot and more lead shot when I came back this way. That's it, I've had enough. So anyway, so here's the gold. I'm not going to weigh it now. What I'll do is I'll go home, chuck it on the scales, and put a photo up of what the weight is. So there's the 3 nuggets there. They're tiny as. I mean that's my finger. Yeah, so my index finger. So there you go. Tiny as. Good gold. I'm happy with that. They're nice and clean. Don't have to clean them up. They'll go straight in the jar and all that up. See you on the next hunt. Cheers.